Right, we just tipped the engine over on its side, so we start all the prep work now for rebuilding the engine. There you can see there's the balances for the engine there. That bolt locates through there and locks up both shafts, top and bottom there. So when the oil pump goes on, then it all meshes in together. I think there's 22 teeth on the gear per shaft, so they're locked up now solid. So next thing to do is to make it a bit easier. I've got a torque wrench there for doing the bottom ends, so we'll do that. We just check the gasket set now, we got all that. So it should be easy to put together on its side like that. We've got the new sump. We've got the gaskets there set up for the sump plate. And there's new pistons and liners already fitted. Nice and shiny. So, we got that to do. Got the new sump, as the other one was fractured. Got the gasket set for the sump, so it's a matter of cleaning and putting the parts back together. It's a nice day. The air conditioning's working in our workshop quite well today, so it's fine. So till the next stage.